What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe. I'm here with Michael, and we're going to be expecting some other guests later in the afternoon. We're going to be installing the SS 1LE 5th generation diffuser, which is over here. I actually did a really crappy paint job. And by the way, guys, I went ahead and took your guys' recommendation and painted it gloss black, but there's some wet spots, oversprays. Not too content with my job, but I'm just gonna install it anyway. I'm kind of like really impatient now. I'll address that when it's on it, and I'll obviously just tape it off later. But for this install, it's not that difficult per se. Really the difficulty will come with the removing of the factory diffuser here. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that all the tools that we're using today is going to be in the link in the description below. I'm also listing them right here or right here, so you guys can see that. All right, Bryce, good morning. You ready to sweat?
Yeah, it's so hot today.
I know. I have water over there next to the tips. You can actually do two things. You can leave the diffuser on and you guys can try to take it off with it already on the car, like the fascia mounted on the car, but that's really difficult to do. I've seen a bunch of people try it and they said that they would have preferred to actually just take the whole fascia off. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna actually do two things, knock out two birds with one stone here. So we're gonna show you how to do this and take off the actual fascia. So yeah, you could just use a screwdriver, or there's like a specific tool that you can use to pry it out. I didn't want to wait for that. So once you take these clip off, you're gonna expose the tail light connection there. And actually, you're just gonna really pop out this harness here, and I'll show you guys how to take that out.
To take it out, you're just gonna press in the middle here. Pry it open. It's gonna unlock.
That's a little tab in there.
The cabin of elevator.
Bro, what?
There you go.
Let's go. So the next thing, you're gonna take your T20 piece here, and you're gonna attack these three T20 screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3 right here. You could leave the tire on. I think mine are just a little bit bigger in the rim size. This is a 20-inch rim, so just gives me a little bit of space, but it's still doable. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody appreciates it. Michael. Okay.
I said it looks nice. Damn.
It makes the interior more like lively. It makes the interior feel more playful.
Playful, yeah. High end.
Because like right now it's like all black, and then you have like a little pop of color.
A little color,
like
yeah.
As you can tell.
Okay, guys. So now that we've taken out all 3 of the T20 screws, there's gonna be a 7mm right up top. So where the fender and the fascia meet, it's gonna be right here. You may not be able to see it because of the sun, but it's right there. So once you take out all of these screws and nuts, now comes the interesting part, which is taking off the bumper, because you know these American cars, negative security. So what you're gonna do is actually just pull from here, and you're gonna have to give it some force, but obviously be careful not to just like rip something out. Honestly, I'm not surprised if we maybe break a couple clips.
Yeah, bro.
Faith?
Not break anything.
Faith?
No checks, no checks.
Okay, so basically you're gonna start pulling from here.
Bro.
Like that. What do you mean, bro? That's normal. That has to happen.
Yeah, but not like janky like this. Bro.
Yankee Doodle?
No janky.
All right. So look, I don't see any plastic pieces, so that means that we're fine.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start on this side, you know, start unhooking it here, and then obviously unhooking it there, and just manage it. But 2 people should be doing here. So who wants to take part in the surgery? Who? Raise your hand.
Yeah, man, I don't want to be responsible.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to speak a little louder because they're just doing the grass and stuff now. So you're gonna have to like pull out from here, you know, tug on it a little bit. Don't be scared, but obviously, yeah, it is scary. I'm not gonna lie. I'm
Are
a
you
little.
away from the car?
Yeah. So it ain't. There you go. As long as you don't hear any like plastic bits falling, you're okay. Here you go. Oh my gosh. So it will come out quickly like that. Holy poop. And all that's jangling is from the Oracle HID lights that I never really fastened down.
There we go.
How's it over there?
We're out. We're clear.
So there it is, guys. That's the fascia delete. It's gonna be fun to put it back. Yeah. To have access to the diffuser, we need to take apart this cage that provides support, which, I mean, over the years, I mean, it's chipping off and breaking off. For us to do that, we actually have to take apart these little clips here, screws. It's really just untightening these 7mm. But I'm not even gonna do this one because look, it's not even attached. Look, just happens. So once you take these off, then you're gonna address the situation of taking off the clips over here. So it's gonna be one clip here and one clip here. You could use your hands or a set of pliers. I think a good friend of mine, Chris, I saw one of his videos and he used a plier. So I'm actually gonna go with that. Thank you, Chris. So once you take apart that, this cage should come off. All right, like this, guys. Go ahead.
Okay. Wait, let it go.
Careful, yeah, there you go. All right, there you go. Excellent. All right, so now, oof.
Okay, so now we need to take out a wire harness.
The wirings, but I mean,
No,
look,
actually-
all we really need to do is just
Oh,
move this.
Yeah, just flip it sideways.
Look how cheap and disgusting this is. Oh my god.
It's fragile.
That is the word.
So it looks like the egg crates that we put in the supermarket.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just crazy glue this, and you know, hopefully that provides some level of stability and support. But so if you guys come over here, Bryce, come over here. So now we have access to the clips, and these are the infamous, very difficult clips to take out. And there seems to be what, like 10 of them up here, 8 of them,
And right here too.
and there's gonna be one right here.
On the top.
Yeah.
And a bolt
Yeah, right here.
right here.
Yeah, board.
Okay, sounds like a lot of fun. Take out these 7mm nuts. There's one right here and one at the end. And you're most likely gonna have to transfer over these really rusty clips onto the new diffuser.
Watch this right now. I'm gonna see your reaction.
What? Is that Ethereum?
Yes.
Oh my god, dude.
Guys, look at this.
Alright, so we're having some trouble taking out these clips, but Bryce is suggesting we do WD-40.
But it's empty, bro.
Oh, you're a chemist, bro.
Bro, it's empty. Oh no.
Poverty, bro.
Shake before use.
Spray. Spray and pray.
Anyways.
So we spray WD. I don't know if that's even gonna
I
do
don't think
anything,
it
to be
Yeah, I
honest.
think that's to like take screws out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, to make it more like slippery.
Now it's gonna be harder for you, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
So we got one clip out right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a different
Michael
one.
is-
See, see, no,
Michael's winning. He got one clip out. Winner, bro. Winner.
Push up.
There you
go. Hey, yo.
I would recommend taking the sides out first.
Yes, absolutely. So we have space to actually push this down, and it doesn't reclip itself. Good call, Mike. And we'd actually move the cage because you have to take apart. Well, remove the lines here, and I just said no.
Wait. Push down, push down.
Push down?
Yeah.
Push
No,
down where?
no, just let go.
Okay.
Made fingers up.
Bro. Yo, Bryce, are you upset or something? Your veins are...
No, bro, I'm just Arab.
Okay. All right, so take it out, right? So I'm not really sure if we have to keep it. We might as well just swap it over, but we're just removing all the clips and transferring it over to the new diffuser over there. Are you having fun right now?
Oh, fantabulous fun.
So look at the difference between the factory one. Well, they're both technically factory, but the quad tip and the single, the dual exhaust tip one, it's the same thing. It's literally the same thing, just built for quad. And paint job is practically the same. Just some areas have reflections and oversprays rip. Then there's overspray there too. Damn, so it was really this area. that I messed up on. Oh well, let's go ahead and get this bad boy in. It's not going in. There you go.
Oh, easy. Everything is in.
Come on. There. Excellent. We're gonna go ahead and attach the pieces that we transferred over. And man.
Oh yeah, look,
What?
this one lost its the mount.
That's kind of sad. I'm gonna start tightening the sides here. Look at my sweat, guys.
Yeah.
Things I do for you guys. No, I'm kidding. This is definitely for me. All right, Bryce, tell us what you're doing now.
I'm just putting the screws back in.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, exactly. All right, so we have everything tightened on now. The support rigs here are compromised. So I don't know.
I'm telling you, I think it's an easy fix.
I'm not gonna even worry about it because
What was it
honestly,
before?
like that, it was broken already.
Yeah, it was broken.
So whatever, we're gonna go ahead and just start mounting it back on the car. Jeez. Right. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Panel gap fixed. Oh, never mind.
No. Yeah, it looks like a brand new Tesla.
Brand new Tesla. You okay? Oh, I didn't get that level of resistance. Oh, Bryce, what the hell? How'd you do so well?
Yeah, look.
What?
Oh, Bryce is an expert. Look at mine, bro. Potato. Literal potato.
Yo. wait, no. It's not in, bro. Take it off.
Ah, go.
No. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Easy.
Wait, just popped out
Easy.
again.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Never mind.
Let's stay pop.
Oh, that's how you do it. Damn.
Look at this. Michael and I,
yeah.
we're literally getting our own like sweat in our eyes, and it's like burning. It's acidic.
Yep.
It's like battery acid almost.
You don't need more Arabic.
Yeah. Yo, facts. Look at this. Look, yo.
Just shiny a little.
We managed to put the bumper back on. Oh my god, that's gonna look so nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this cover on now, put the T20s and the 7mm on, and that should finalize everything. So we're tightening this. I'm literally about to like have a seizure right now. And then Bryce comes to the rescue with his
My invention. Actually, it's like a good invention. Look, you have a fan in your umbrella, so you can cool off with them.
Oh wow.
The battery is still good. It's like hot air.
All right, guys, we finally finished putting on, swapping out the diffusers. We are all exhausted, sun poisoned. Wouldn't be surprised if one of us faints on the way back to the cars, but it's finally done. I hope you guys found this video informative and somewhat entertaining. If you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my how-tos, my reviews, my vlogs, etc., etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.